There is nothing like an ice-cold drink on a very hot day in Virginia. It's June in Virginia, and the outside thermometer is saying 93.7 degrees. It's hot in any language, in any country. Of course, it's also the perfect time to have a margarita. It's the adult beverage of choice for many. And no, I'm not in Mexico. I'm in Norfolk, Virginia, or, as a man in Ocean View once told me, I am in Ocean View, which is a city of itself, which for some people who live in Ocean View, they have annexed themselves away from Norfolk. But I don't want to get into local politics. I just want to say that what you're looking at is an agave, and this is one of the many wonders that I see in and around Tidewater, Virginia. This agave is in Ocean View, Virginia, and I got to tell you, it is so interesting to see how this agave reacts to the bees, or perhaps I should say, how the bees react to the agave. After all, agave is the main ingredient in tequila, isn't it? Which makes me wonder, does the bees get a little intoxicated when they enjoy the agave? After all, isn't that what is used to make the delicious margarita? Just asking. Did you enjoy this video? Well, if you did, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're in the mood, I would also appreciate your donations. That would be nice. Thank you.